Hey YouTubers, this is Trixie here. I am opening my first box from Creeper Crate, which I'm so psyched about. So this is my first box that was suggested to me through probably Instagram, internet, you name it, social media. That's how powerful the media is. I'm gonna open up this box to see what's inside. Now, I'm a horror addict, so we're gonna see what kind of special mysteries we got in here. Ooh, the Army of Evil box content. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, we have the book, but it's really a notepad. Oh, this is very useful. Oh, I wouldn't be able to use that. I'd be afraid to. Maybe I'll have Bruce Campbell sign it someday. Shout out to Bruce Campbell again. Ooh, what's this? Is this like a bath bomb? This is a bath bomb. Ooh, it smells really good. What is this? Delta 88 limited edition bath bomb. Pork and wolf. Ooh. Ooh, that smells really good. Look at this, folks. Hail to the king, baby. Cozy. Oh my gosh. I'd be afraid to use that too. I'd be so afraid to use it. Oh. A Deadite Hunter. Look at that sticker. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh. Ooh, we have this pin. I think this is his sister from Evil Dead 2, I believe. If I'm wrong, please comment at the bottom below if I got it wrong. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you, Creeper Crate, by the way. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Oh.
Yeah, and you can go to creepercrate.com. This was the April box. The May will be coming soon, and we will be unwrapping that too.
Oh,
thanks for watching, everybody.
Hit subscribe and subscribe to, if they have it, Creeper Crate. Follow them on Instagram. Follow them on their websites. Probably Facebook. Any kind of website you can find. And hope you get something from Creeper Crate. Isn't that cool? Look at that.